Your mini twists aren't ugly, they're just dry. A lot of the time, I would tell people that putting their hair in a protective style is not the end of it. You still need to keep your hair moisturized, even if it's in a protective style. But every time I say that, it's always like I'm saying too much or I'm doing too much. Like, isn't protective styling supposed to be the lazy way out? So why am I still doing all of these things? Yada yada. Well, let me tell you something. In a matter of 2 minutes, you can transform your mini twist or whatever protective style that you have in your head from crusty and dusty to a whole ass sled, and it literally takes under 5 minutes. Right now, I'm going to share my current 3-step protective style moisture routine that I do in under 5 minutes, and you are going to see in real time how it transforms my hair. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm starting off with this Rosemary hair mist from BK Organics. Now, a lot of people who have watched a lot of my recent videos might come and say that, oh, look at me, I'm using rosemary something after shitting on DIY, blah blah blah. For the record, I did not say that DIY is bad. It's not a bad thing to do DIY. If you want to do DIY, if you want to do rosemary water, if you want to do clove water, sure, go ahead. But it is the notion behind the DIY that is my problem. Some people are doing rosemary water, which they ordinarily wouldn't do because they think it's going to grow their hair faster. FYI, it is not. It is only going to hydrate your hair, which is a good thing. But if you are doing it solely because you think it is going to make your hair grow like super fast, well, you're wasting your time, okay? As you can see here, I'm using this rosemary spray to do nothing but hydrate my hair, okay? All right, so I am done hydrating my hair with the hair mist. Up next, I'm going to seal in all of that hydration with this peppermint hair butter, also from BK Organics. This is the most lightweight hair butter that I have used in quite a while. Just have a look at how lightweight that is. Like, amazing. Would you look at that? My twists are already giving life. Okay, they're already giving life. The curls are popping. Okay, the hair is falling. I'm getting some hang time. It's no longer uppity bowdy all over the place as it was before. Okay, it's giving, toss toss. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is literally all for my hair. That is it. In 2 minutes, done. Okay. All that's left now is my scalp, and for that, I am going to be using, yes, my old love, the Mega Growth Anti Dandruff Scalp Spray. And I use this scalp spray because it is so soothing on the scalp and it is so lightweight. And the weather has been so hot. I just can't with oils right now. So I had to go to different supermarkets looking for this baby, and I finally found it. It's been a while, but I'm glad to have her back in my collection. And so I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp. My hands are a little slippery from the conditioner, so I'm gonna have to support my other hand. By the way, in case anyone is wondering how my mini twist got so rough so quickly, I recently restarted my fitness journey. I signed up at the gym, and so I sweat even more than I normally would now. And sometimes that sweat can just get so much, the heat can get so much that I would just go and stand under the shower, and water makes my hair frizz up like nothing ever before. But I don't mind. I actually don't mind the frizz because I know that moisture is important. I won't say, oh, my hair will get rough and so I won't moisturize my hair, because who dry hair up? Like, who yep? I think one thing that comes with loving your natural hair is loving the frizz, you'll find ways around it. You'll find ways to style your hair. You'll find ways to, just accommodate the frizz. The twists are actually really, really frizzy. You can see it from my edges, you can see it from the parts. But, she's still cute. And she's even cuter now that she is moisturized. This is why I'm saying that moisturizing your hair is really important. By the way, I'm done. That is it. That is the whole shebang. That is the whole routine, okay? Just a quick spritz of the spray, a quick rub of the hair cream, and then another spray to my scalp, and that's just about it. My hair is moisturized, my scalp is soothed, and I am ready to tackle the next 7 days. Because I very rarely have to moisturize my hair in the middle of the week anytime I do this. All right, and these mini twists are going on 3 weeks now, so I've only ever really had to re-moisturize them. This is the third time. So yeah, this simple routine allows me to leave my hair completely alone for the next 7 days, sometimes even more than that. Doing protective styles is still a very lazy way to have to deal with your hair, because if your hair wasn't in protective styles, then every morning and every night you would have to reband and unband and reband and unband your afro, because you can't just be sleeping in an afro. You're going to have to twist it or band it or find some type of way to stretch it, and you're going to have to be dealing with that every morning and every night, versus putting your hair in a protective style where you only have to deal with your hair once or twice a week, and that's only when you are like moisturizing your hair or oiling or spraying your scalp, and that is literally just once or twice a week, versus the morning and night every single day if you were not in a protective style. So I would take this. I prefer this is fine. Okay, put your in a protective style, moisturize it every once in a while, and I'm telling you, you'll be fine. Okay, you'll be fine. So anyway, that is the end of this video. I just thought I would pop in here and just give you a quick protective style moisture routine that's going to help you retain length and see that longer, healthier hair that you have been looking for this entire time. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure you share it with a friend, and also let me know in the comments, all right, if you want to see more of this type of product application videos, because I do yap a lot on this channel. All right, so let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Now, if you are interested in growing long and healthy hair this year, make sure you watch this video, because I broke down everything that you're going to need, from the products to the routine, every single sip of tea that you need to grow that long and healthy hair that you're looking for. It's right here in this video, so make sure you watch it. See you there. Mwah. Bye.